Ram made an exciting appearance at the 9th round of the MXGP World Championship 2023, held on the last weekend in Teutschenthal, Germany. During the event, Ram showcased its new 1500 3.6 eTorque Pentastar V6 mild hybrid for the European market. The winners of the German MXGP were also presented with awards by Domenico Gostoli, the head of Ram and Dodge in Europe. This move to unveil the Ram 1500 in Europe showcases Ram's commitment to strengthening its presence in the European market and aligns with the brand's strategy to reduce CO2 emissions through powerful yet eco-friendly engines. The Ram 1500 3.6 eTorque Pentastar V6 is equipped with a robust engine that delivers 305 horsepower and 364 Newton-meters of torque. This engine will be available for the Ram 1500 Bighorn, Ram 1500 Laramie, and Ram 1500 Rebel models in Europe. The eTorque mild hybrid system modernizes the Ram 1500 by replacing the conventional alternator with a starter-generator motor, which significantly benefits fuel efficiency. A lithium-ion nickel-manganese-cobalt graphite battery with a 0.43 kilowatt-hour capacity powers the starter. The eTorque system is known for its quick start-stop function and supports the V6 engine at low RPM, resulting in smooth power delivery. In addition, the 3.6 V6 eTorque engine requires up to 19% less fuel compared to the 5.7 V8 engine, thanks to features such as variable valve timing and a two-stage variable valve lift. A cooled exhaust gas recirculation system ensures a more complete combustion of exhaust gases, leading to lower emissions. The mild hybrid system also contributes to the drive and noise comfort by reducing noise, vibrations, and harshness through additional torque at the crankshaft. Regarding models, the Ram 1500 Rebel is perfect for off-road enthusiasts with features like increased ground clearance due to screw springs, Goodyear Wrangler DuraTrack off-road tires, hill descent control, and Select Speed traction control. The Ram 1500 Laramie combines performance, payload, luxury, and technology, and is richly equipped with a 12-inch touchscreen, remote vehicle start, brake assist, collision warning with active braking, and many more features. The Ram 1500 Bighorn includes chrome bumpers, radiator grille surround, and headlights, as well as halogen lights with optional LED lighting. Additionally, Ram plays a dual sponsor role in the MXGP season 2023. It partners with the Red Bull KTM factory racing team, providing them with 4 Ram 1500s for use during the season races, and is also the official partner of the MXGP Championship for 2023. As a dual partner, Ram vehicles will be strategically placed along the racetracks and in the paddock, and the brand will be present in all structural and media elements associated with the organization of each event. Lastly, the Ram 1500 3.6 eTorque Pentastar V6 has a combined energy consumption of 13.8 liters per 100 kilometers and CO2 emissions of 306 grams per kilometer, based on the WLTP, which has replaced the new European driving cycle for a more realistic assessment. Emissions of 300 TP